Good morning student. Welcome to Sheba online class. Now we are going to unit 13 is a structural organization of the animal. Last previous class session the plant anatomy and plant physiology. We are studying the botany. Now we are going to zoology. The unit 13 structural organization of animals. It's clear? Structural organization of animal. We are study fully the animal internal parts of the organs. The animals and the birds insect internal structure of the organs only we are studying. Now we are going to external morphology of the leech. First of all, what is the structural organization? The structural organization variety in nature of the habit of the animal, habitat and class, structures, genus, species, then everyone reading the variety of the nature of the habitat of the leech. Okay, first we are studying the invertebrate and chordata. What is the invertebrate? Vertebrate and invertebrate without bone. Okay, without bone is a invertebrate. Cartilage is a less than bones. We are studying the cartilage. Okay, next the external structure of the leech. What is the leech? Leech is a Indian cattle variety of one. That is called the leech. So leech is a scientific name. What is the scientific name of the leech? Listen, is a very important. You are right and reading the many times of the spell and write it the word Hirudinea granulosa. Hirudinea and granulosa. So that is called the scientific name of the leech. Very important question, 1 mark. What is the scientific name of the leech? Hirudinea granulosa. So that is Indian cattle variety of the leech. Okay. Next, first of all, this is a leech. You know leech, okay? Leech is a rainy season will become to the leech of the many leech. Rainy season will be appearance of the leech. So this is a cylindrical and elongated structure. Cylindrical and elongated structure, and then many segments are present our body. Many segments are present in our body. So last previous class, listen student, your animal kingdom classification you can read. Animal kingdom and then plant kingdom, you know, study the lower section. Then animal kingdom, each and every one animals is a divide the kingdom of the classification. So what is the classification of the leech? The Indian cattle leech, first of all, taxonomic position. What is the taxonomic position? The phylum, class, order, genus and species. These are all contained to the taxonomic position. It's clear? Taxonomic position. So what is the phylum? This is a Annelida. Phylum means is a group. Phylum Annelida group of the Indian cattle leech. What is the class? Listen, Hirudinea. So that is called the scientific name. They will become to the class order Hirudinea. Hirudinea granulosa. So that is called the Indian cattle leech. Order, the granotop of the delita, granotop of the delita. So this the word is very tough thing. Then and there you are reading and practiced well. Okay, this scientific name. Every year, every test and month, quarterly, halfly, public exam will become to what is the scientific name of the leech. Okay, government will be asking many time asking this question. Okay, next genus and species. Genus Hirudinea and species granulosa. So that is called the taxonomy position. What is the taxonomy position? The which one is a habit and habitat, that only growing the which phylum, that phylum, class, order, genus and species. These are all including the leech taxonomic position. So next shape. This is a, first of all, this is a elongated shape and a rounded shape. Okay, the color, this is a color is a brownish color, brown, the olive brown color, olive brown in color. It's a dark green color. So that color is a dorsal side one color and ventral side one color. Dorsal side olive green and ventral side yellowish color. Okay, so these are all separated, divided the segment region. Then one is a dark region. Dark region is a nephridia force. That is a excretory of the in our body of the nephridios force. Excretory product will be contract and relaxations of the will be excrete the product. Okay, next segmentation. These are 33 segments will be present. 33 segments will be present in the leech. Okay, anterior region, posterior region. The finally anus region, excretory product excrete the out of the anus region. Okay, next sucker. What is the sucker? The blood will be sucker in our body. Which one is this is a ectoparasite. What is the ectoparasite? That depend upon to the one organism to another organism, sucking the blood and eat blood only. The sucker eat blood only for the leech. This is a peculiar character of the leech. Only sucking the blood. Human beings and anyone animals that is a ectoparasite will be sucker the blood. Locomotion. What is the locomotion? It is scrabbling and is moving one place to another place is a scrabble method of the locomotion. It's clear. Okay, once again I will repeat. External morphology of the leech. Leech is scientist name Iridonia granulosa. So that is called a Indian cattle leech. Eyes is present the anterior region. Anterior sucker will be present and posterior sucker will be present the down page. One important male genital operator. Male and is a reproductive, produce the male genital operate and female genital operate will be appearance of the center of the body. The shape is a cylindrical and elongated form. The coloration is a dark green and yellow, dorsiventral side and ventral side. Two colors are present. Dorsal side one color olive green and ventral side is a yellow colors. Okay, next segmented or divided in the dark region. Clitella region. This portion is a clitella region. This is a jelly-like structure formed. Is a jelly-like formation. Matrix is a jelly-like structure formed. Is a body inside the fully or formed jelly-like. So segmentation is a 33 segment are presented in our body. Sucker is a blood only sucker the human beings and that is called the ectoparasite animal. Okay, next locomotion is a traveling movement and so one place to another place of the traveling movement. So that is called the external morphology of the leech. Now I am real specimen. One show the bottle specimen of the leech. Okay, I will real show one bottle specimen. Bottle specimen show. Listen student, or you see that the specimen, bottle specimen of the leech is a entire leech of the specimen, real leech. Okay, I explained that the blackboard really this is a cylindrical form, elongated and cylindrical form. Many segments are presented to the in our body. The leech, the Indian cattle leech is a Iridonia granulosa. Iridonia granulosa, that is a dorsal and ventral side region. Two sides will be present, dorsal region and ventral region. You know that clear? Segmented, 33 segments are presented. Anterior region, posterior region. The sucker from the blood. is a middle of the region segment, clitellum, that is called a thick portion. The nephridia fossa are present. Excreta of the product will be anus region. Okay, then is a elongated and is a elongated region is a 5 to 10 region of the segmented formation. Okay, is a dorsal side and a ventral side is a many segment are present, and then posterior side will be a anterior and posterior side sucker will be presented. Okay, this is a real leech of the Indian cattle region. This is a ectoparasite region. So ectoparasite depend upon the one another organism the sucker to the eat of the blood. Okay, this is a warmed portions of the leech, one of the variety of the Indian cattle leech. Next, male genetical region and female genetical region portions are present. So that is called a reproductive organs will be present in there. Is a invertebrata region is a back without backbone of the present. Okay, anterior region, posterior region, and is a male genetical organ and a female genetical organ. Okay, it's clear? Now we are going to next external morphology of the rabbit. So this is a scientific name, ornithologist and cunicles. Ornithologist and cunicle lizard student. Every day then and day you are practiced read and write the scientific name. Okay, so external morphological of the rabbit. So here will be present the neck region, eye and the mouth region, upper arms, that is called the modifying the upper arms and foot region. Okay, ornithological of the cunicle. So this is from the mammalians of the type. So what is the mammalian? We are mammalians. The feed and give birth to one young ones and feed the milk. Lactations will be secreted. Lactation means milk will be produced the mammalian glands. Mammalians means a lactation period. So that is called mammalians. Okay, next these are the external morphology of the ornithologist and the cunicle formation. Next one is I got the short digestive is presented the digestive form, reproductive form and neurology systems. Then urinogenetical system. First one is a urinogenetical system. Urine formation will be excreted. So that is called urinogenetical region will be formed the rabbit. Okay, so rabbit is a elongated and cylindrical body. This body is a elongated and cylindrical of the body. The male and the female are the same size. Male or female are the not differentiated. These are all same size only the rabbit. Next, they grow about the 45 centimeter. The rabbit will be grow 45 centimeter in our body. The weight is a 2.25 kg. Weight is the 2.25 kg. Weight 2.25 kg only appearance of the rabbit. Okay, next body division. What is the body division? Is a head region, trunk region and head, trunk, stomach, mouth region. These are all divided in the body region. Head is ovoid, is a oval shape, ovoid structure of the head region. Okay, next the external nose of the eyes and external part eyes, ears, nose are present of the external region. Next, neck. The neck is the connected to the head. Neck is connected to the, where is connected? Head region is connected to the neck region. Neck region is connected to the head only. On the trunk is divided in the anterior thorax region. Anterior male, the upper sides of the thorax region of the anterior formation. Next, the anus is divided in anus is anterior posterior region of the anus. Okay, it's clear. So that is only for the external morphology. Then next, digestive process, reproductive process, nervous systems and all are explained one by one. Okay, next This is for the lungs region, rabbit lungs, in the external structure of the rabbit lungs. This is a anterior region, larynx are present, only larynx. Trachea region, the rings are all are trachea region. 4 or 5 is a mentioned that the trachea. Bronchitis region is a below the trachea region, below the bronchitis. So left anterior lobe, left anterior lobe, right anterior lobe, left and right. So divided the two sides. One is a left anterior lobe and another one is a right anterior lobe. Lobes are divided in the two sides. So right posterior lobe of the upper lower sides. Right posterior region, the upper anterior region is a upper sides. Lower sides and upper side. Listen children. Next class we are going to all the reproductive, digestive, nervous system, urinary genetical region, all explain that the one by one. Okay, listen children, we are reading the carefully for this lesson. This lesson is very essential and important for the public questions will be came to this all the 1 mark, 3 mark, 15, 5 mark, 7 mark questions all are came to the this lesson. Okay. Thank you.